the most rewarding experience I have ever witnessed in my life.
I was in a period of my life where there was immense sadness.
Yolanda has a mix of analytical ability, technical therapist ability, and something that I would call intuition, or just a kind of a healing power. She has a lot of techniques that she uses, that she's trained in, that get you out of yourself and into some other place in your mind that is a helpful place to visit.
Her and I hit it off right away. And one of the first things that I noticed about her is that she has X-ray vision into your soul.
I never got in touch with loss. And so what I did was kind of just stuff it all down and never felt it, never grieved it. Yolanda helped me heal and mourn and grieve all the losses in my life.
But she also can look at you and kind of just say a word or give a thought that captures something that feels completely just spontaneous, intuitive, just creative ability to make a connection with another person's energy, which is what to me puts her in a different category.